Welcome to the Ileyemi TV. Today we'll be discussing the essentials of starting a blog. Joining me is my sister, my friend from the university, Amire Stella. And today we'll be teaching you guys how to start a blog, how to build your audience, how to create engaging content. That a lot of people will be interested to watch. So without wasting more time, let's jump in. Honestly, this is so cool. So cool having you on the show. Hope you are good.
Yes, I'm fine.
How was your week?
My week was okay.
Yeah, nice. So today we want to talk about blog. One thing I know is that 80% of the people who click this podcast now are ladies, because everybody is going into vlogging. People are vlogging, how they're doing it, how probably travels and all those stuff like that. And so I've watched your videos so much, and honestly, I love them. I love them so much. I love them so much. And so while I was thinking about who can I bring in to talk about this stuff, vlog, how to start a blog, your name was ringing. I was like, yeah, I contacted you, and you're like, yeah, let's do it. So without knowing what is vlog, I don't think we can start this conversation. So what is vlog? Or what is vlogging?
Okay. So basically, vlogging is the act of creating video content.
Yeah.
You create video content and to upload them. That's just basically what vlogging is about. We already know what blog is about. Blog involves writing. Vlogging is just the video aspect of blog.
Yeah.
You create videos, memories and everything, combine them, do a compilation of everything and then just upload. That's what vlogging is about.
Wow. Yeah, that's so nice. So can you tell us like your inspirations? Why did you start creating vlogs? What was like your inspiration to start creating?
Okay, so when I started creating vlog, one of my major motivation was storytelling. I just needed to like share experiences, share my thoughts with people, and without limitations. If you get what I'm saying,
Yeah, I get.
because I would still compare what like vlogging with blogging. Blogging, it involves writing.
Yeah.
Yes, you are limited in like there are rules to writing. Do you get that? But for vlogs, you are like you have the opportunity to be yourself when you are vlogging. You can just freestyle kind of. You have the opportunity to freestyle in vlogging, but like for blogs, there are like rules to it and everything. One of my inspiration was the fact that I could share my experiences and just be myself without like limitations and all of that. Just put myself out there without wondering, okay, is this thing correct? Is this just be myself?
Yeah. So what do you enjoy most about the whole thing?
Okay, I think one of the things I enjoy most about vlogging should be the comments. Like I just like to hear people's feedback on like what I'm doing. I like to like know what people think about like the vlogs I'm putting out. So like most times when I upload videos, upload content and all of that, I just sit down like in the comment section, see people's nice comments and all of that. I'm like, oh yes. So people actually, so that's one of the thing I enjoy the most about vlogging.
Okay, so let's assume that you want to create a vlog now, right? A vlog. Like there was one that you did at the school field. That was very, very nice. I saw the update so late, and when I saw the message, I was like, okay, let me check. And I said, honestly, that made my day. That vlog, made my day that day. I was like, this was nice. I think I sent
you did.
Yeah. And then let's assume that you are trying to create a vlog now. How do you start the planning?
So for me, when I want to create a vlog or something, I'll first of all think about the topic I want to create. Okay, what do I want the vlog to be about? Is it about my lifestyle, or do I want to do a tutorial? Do I want to do a sit-down vlog?
Yeah.
There are different types of vlogs. So like I will just find a topic or something to base that vlog about.
Yeah.
So once I do that, I would like have an outline, a plan of what if it is a sit down vlog, I have a plan of, okay, these are the things I want to say, these are the this thing. I'll like highlight some things down so that I will not, when I start making the videos,
Yeah.
I will not leave out some things.
Yeah.
I will not say too unnecessary things.
Yeah.
Things like that. So I'll not be repeating what I'm saying. Do you get? So I already have an outline that, okay, this is what I want to say, this is what I want to say. There's nothing like I'm forgetting anything or something like that. So when I want to create a vlog, I outline everything I want to say, then set up my camera, just do this normal setup, and also look for a space. If it is a sit down vlog, look for a comfortable space for me to do the vlog. Yeah.
So let's assume that I want to go into vlogging now, right? What equipment do you think I should get?
Okay, for someone that wants to start vlogging, you need a good camera. You need a good camera. Now, you don't have to get a camera like camera. You can substitute it. You can use your phone. If your phone has like a good camera, yes, you can use your phone. And you also need lights. You need good lighting, because video quality is one of the most important things in content creation. Because even I myself, if I see a someone's content, and the quality is not looking too good, I might not want to be interested. But okay, one of the first thing I'll see is the quality of that video. So invest in good camera. It might not be an actual camera, it could be your phone, but make sure the camera is good. And then the lights, make sure like not just something clean and everything. And then you would need, apart from the lights, you need a microphone. The microphone is not something you cannot do without. You can do without the microphone. It's just to make the sound quality better. Not something too important, but then you can start off without the microphone, but then eventually you need a microphone too.
And even talking about microphone, you can get something like this box microphone.
You can get a lapel microphone.
It does a lot. So honestly, like, microphone is something that is very, 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 very important. So, and okay, looking at how you edit your videos. How do you edit your videos? How do you do all the stuff and those transitions and everything?
Okay, firstly, I'm not a video editor. What I just do is, most times I think when I started content creation and everything, I went on YouTube to like check, okay, how do you edit videos, at least to know the basics. Even if, because I'm just starting, I cannot afford to be giving my content to someone to edit yet. So I just went online, check, okay, how do I edit my videos, watched some videos, some tutorials on how to at least do some basic things. So yes, I use CapCut. I started using CapCut when I started content creation at first. Then someone introduced me to another app, Adobe Premiere Pro. Yes, but I didn't really get the hang of that app, so I just left it and went back to CapCut. That I'm still So I'm not a video editor. I'm just trying. Yes.
So, what do you think can be the common challenges for people who are just starting out, and how do you think they can overcome those challenges?
All right. One of the major challenge, I'm going to be speaking from my own perspective, like the challenge that me myself I'm facing. But generally, one of the like major challenge of content creators is time, the time management, and also inconsistency. Now, for the time management, for a content creator that is also a student, balancing the content creation and your academics is going to really, there are sometimes that, okay, you have to be in school. You're supposed to be reading, but still you have to show up for your channel, or you have to show up for the people, for your followers or something. So balancing academics and content creation can be one of the challenges that you face as a content creator. Yes. And also inconsistency. Sometimes then you just don't feel like, sometimes you just wake up and you be like, how did I even start? Where did I get the courage from? That kind of thing. But then that's also one of the challenge that you face as a content creator. Another challenge for content creators is the editing for someone like me, I don't know how to edit. It's because I wanted to like start creating content. That
Yeah.
was why I had to like, okay, what are the things I would even do to start to what are the things I need to know about this video editing. So like editing is a bit stressful for me. It's not even something I like, but I just have to do it. There are some times that I would create content and to edit it is problem. I'll just leave it there that let it just be there first. So editing is also another challenge on
yeah.
its own. Yeah.
Yeah, so like your final thoughts to those people who are just trying to start, like your advice to them.
Okay, for those that are just starting, my advice is start simple.
Yeah,
You don't have to have the best of everything. You don't have to have very, very nice you don't have to have a camera or like have a good setup at first. Just start simple, be yourself. With your smartphone, you can create content.
Yeah.
Just start simple. You don't have to start big or start. Nobody got there. Like all the big video, all the big content creators,
yeah.
they didn't just start one day and then they started big. They started from small.
Yeah.
So like start simple. Just be, and also be yourself. I've realized that people are attracted to people that like their
Real.
personality, people that are real.
Yeah.
Yes. So just be yourself. Don't set a standard you cannot maintain. Don't set a standard you cannot maintain. Because in the long run, people will be expecting you to keep up with that standard and you will not be able to. So just be yourself. Do what you know you can at that time.
Yeah.
Yes, there is that. And also be consistent. Try to show up. Even sometimes it might be tiring.
Yeah.
Yes. But just try to show up. Try as much as possible to show up for your followers. You know why you started content creation. There are different reasons why people start. So just keep that in mind and try to show up for your content. Yes. Also, another advice I would give is don't let negative comments get to you. Don't let negative comments get to you. Like people will always talk. You don't have to now say, okay, because this person, people will always talk. And most times when they talk, it might not even be from the place of hate, actually. Yeah. They might just want you to do better. They might want you to just do better. So just take the ones that will help you grow and leave the ones that are just there, there are some comments that are not even necessary. So like just leave the unnecessary ones and pick the ones that would actually help you to grow.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Sarah. Honestly, this is amazing. So much grateful. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you find value in this video, make sure you click the subscribe button, like, share. Share it to your friends, share it to your family. And also, if you want to connect with me and my guest and even the TV show, go down in the description below or in this video and you see everything. Everything right there. And I can't wait to see you in the next video to connect with you. Let's go.